Are you looking for the best Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. New V168 Max Drone. Capture epic detail with the Accenture V168 GPS drones for adults and beginners 14+. Zoom in with 50x magnification, enjoy gyroscope stability and take jaw-dropping photo or video drone footage of your travels, special events, or breathtaking landscapes. Fly confidently, knowing your long-range drone with camera will always return in case of low power, over distance, or out-of-control scenarios. In just a single click, this 1,640-foot Flight 14+ drone with obstacle avoidance knows when and how to come back safely. Stay in the air longer with this drone professional camera with 8 spare propellers and 3 batteries, allowing 60 minutes of flight time. Plus, with the USB charging lead and screwdriver included in our Follow Me Drone GPS, you're prepared for quick repairs anytime. Keep flight smooth, thanks to this 4-way obstacle avoidance drone with level 6 wind resistance and light control. With our brushless drone with Follow Me mode, enjoy cinematic moments effortlessly, keeping you centered in every shot. Number 2. New AE3 PRO Drone. Special appearance design makes your drone more eye-catching. Excellent camera capability, with a high-resolution camera, stable picture and sensors adapted to different light conditions. This ensures high-quality, clear aerial images. With good flight stability, it can fly stably under different environmental conditions, and has a certain windproof ability to ensure a smooth shooting picture. With flexible remote control capabilities, including reliable remote control connection, simple control, and a variety of flight mode options to meet different shooting needs. Perfect for your boyfriend, father, children, or good friends who love to document their lives. AE3 PRO Max GPS Drone 8K Professional HD Dual Camera 3-Axis Gimbal 360-degree OAS 5G Wi-Fi FPV Brushless Motor Quadcopter vs KF102. AE3 PRO Max is suitable for every stage of use, powerful, and very small. Impressive performance, stunning image quality and creative videos are just a few clicks away. Explore a whole new perspective and capture the moments that make your life truly yours. Choose a panorama from wide angle, 180 degrees, and spherical panoramas, and AE3 PRO Max will do the rest, producing a panoramic masterpiece almost instantly. The AE Drone app has smart built-in photo optimization features. After downloading a photo, the app automatically enhances the image quality, resulting in vivid colors and outstanding detail. When the AE3 is near your smartphone, the AE app will automatically recognize and connect to the aircraft and sync selected photos and videos at 20 megabytes per second. Number 3. Potensic ATOM 2 Drone. Day or night, capture impressive professional quality aerial footage with the ATOM 2 drone from Potensic. This second-generation ATOM drone features a 3-axis gimbal and a high-quality camera capable of capturing 8K photos and 4K 30 HDR videos. It can even shoot 12MP RAW images and use a P-Log mode for flexible image processing. At night, AI Super Night intelligently handles the quality of low-light content. Multiple automatic video modes create dynamic shots, while additional photo modes expand your creativity. At under 0.55 pounds, pilots can enjoy this and more with little to no restrictions or certification. Just unfold the ATOM 2 and fly. With Potensic's standard kit accessory bundle, you'll be ready to go right out of the box. The integrated camera on the Potensic ATOM 2 features a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor and f/1.8 aperture to record high-quality content with reduced noise and enhanced low-light performance. Snap 48MP 8K stills or 4K 30 HDR videos, enhancing each with 4x digital zoom and 5x slow motion features. For a more professional application, the ATOM 12 can capture 12MP RAW stills and has a P-Log mode to record enhanced visual information for flexible post-flight image processing. In addition to typical photo modes, such as burst, bracketing, BRK, and interval timer, the Potensic ATOM 2 has access to creative modes to handle specific situations. AI Super Night can intelligently enhance the quality of low-light footage for crisper and clearer results. As the name implies, defog mode cuts through foggy conditions for crisper images. Wide angle, 180 degrees, and sphere panoramas lead to breathtaking landscape shots, and vertical shooting mode is perfect for social media ready photos and videos for immediate posting.